Just got 5 minutes before everybody starts working, so I'll have a little quick whiz around the workshop, show you what we've got on the go at the moment. A pile of components here just coming from laser cutters. So these are IQC machines, flat pack. It's just the flat pack bed here. Fits together with lots of slots and the like. So it comes pre-formed, and this lot's there's a bunch of floor plates in there, some name panels, various other bits and pieces. So they're ready to go off to paint. Here we've got some aluminium for this is a HS4000 foot plate, as it were. A few side covers there, and some IQC end plates. So they've just been waterjet cut, finished, and they'll be off for paint next. Behind these screens, you've got the waterjet machine. This is just about finished. Another set of some HS4000s on there, and some IQC bits, looking at those. Just reset this so we can see. Oh, there we go, part way around that shape there, so we'll resume cutting with that this morning. Moving on. We've got a special purpose waterjet for a local university. Small cutting area, so this is all bellowed up. We've kept all the electronics and controls up high on this machine to keep it out of the way of the water, because there'll be quite a bit of splashing. So this has got a 1.5 metre, or metre by metre cut area, this machine. All fabricated in-house. Next to that, we've got a HS4000 just undergoing final testing. So this is now alive. I was going to fire up the plasma this morning. That's sat on a camper bed. It's 4 metre by 2 metre. There's a control box around the back. And this machine's got a gas head on it. So there's our gas control panel there, proportional gas panel. Got a lot of stuff going on the head there. Moving round, machine stocks. This is the HS4000 that's ready to ship. So that hopefully will be going out next week. A couple of camper beds behind it. IQC parts ready for assembly. Sat on a waterbed, and there's the actual IQC bed itself, which is part assembled now. The side rails are on. So the rack and rails is tucked up under there. This is going to have that waterbed insert in it, so there's a frame, a fabricated frame that will sit inside and have feet that poke through those 4 holes, so it sits on the floor. Next to that is a weld plasma machine. This one we just pulled out of stock, so this is going to be wired up the next couple of days, a new control system and a waterbed fitted. This is a 3 by 1.5 machine. I think it's having a Jabora IQC plasma on it. So quite cute little machines those, sort of jobbing machines. Then we've got this beastie here, which is it's moved back so it fitted all in. There we go. This is a 3 metre by 1.5 metre enclosed 3 kilowatt laser. We'll just have a quick sneak in through the shutter. In here is a laser cutting machine. I've got some pictures up there, we can see on the CCTV what it does. But we'll go into this in a bit more detail on the next video.